Hello, I am Stuart. Here in the video, we shall share details related to the following content failed to load error code on ARK. Survival Ascended. After doing some research and discovering some facts here and there, we have found that the error usually shows up when the game is loading, preventing users from launching the game successfully. Moreover, we have found that this primarily might happen as a result of corrupted game files, an outdated game version, or can also be related to insufficient system resources causing a compatibility issue. But sometimes network issues can also cause this error. One of the major reasons behind the following error, as have been reported by users all these years, would be an outage at the game server's end. You can check for status by heading straight to their social media handles such as CurseForge, or can try visiting a third-party website such as Down Detector and find out whether it is indeed a server outage issue causing the following error. And if it is a server issue, then there is nothing much you can do but just give it some time for the problem to get resolved at the server end itself, and then go back to playing once fixed. If the error is showing up as a result of a corrupted game file, then verifying your game files with the steps shown should prove helpful. If you are on Steam, then open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on ARK, Survival Ascended and select Properties. In the Local Files tab, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check the game files and download any missing or corrupted files. After the process is complete, launch the game and see if the error persists. Although rare, there have been reports where users claim to have fixed the issue by simply updating their game, which had gone outdated as a result of not being updated regularly. Hence, if your error is showing up due to a similar reason, then you can update your game on your Steam platform by following the steps shown. Go to your Steam library. Right-click on ARK, Survival Ascended and select Properties. Click on Updates and make sure the game is set to automatically update. The error can also occur if your system somehow does not fulfill or has the minimum system requirement asked for running the game properly. Here are the minimum system requirements. OS, Windows 10, 64-bit. Processor, Intel Core i5 7400, AMD Ryzen 5 1600. Memory, 8 GB RAM. Graphics and video, GTX 970, AMD Radeon RX 480. Storage, 60 GB available space. If your system falls short of these specs, you may consider upgrading your hardware or lowering the game's graphic settings. For users playing the game in multiplayer mode, a stable and fast internet connection is essential for loading the game and playing it properly. It is advised that you always check if your internet connection is healthy and running properly if you ever encounter such an error while loading the game. As a last resort, if none of the solutions work for you, then you can try directly contacting the game's support team and discuss your problem with them. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.